Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M12 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So firstly, let's enter the keypad because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with actually the shortest one and I think the most interesting. So it is *0*#. And as you can see, here we've got the testing menu, and here we've got some options after tapping on which we can check the components of our device. So we can check the screen, the vibrations, the sensor, touch, speaker, actually quite a lot of options to check. So let me show you how to use, for example, the color option. Let's tap on red, and if you can see the red color all across the screen without any missing spots, then it means that your device works perfectly fine. Let's tap on it, let's check green, also on the full screen, so the screen works fine. The blue, the same situation. So this is how to check if if the screen in your device is working fine. What's more, we can check the vibrations, so after tapping on it, if you can feel the vibrations, then it means that it works. Let me pick touch, for example, and as you can see here, we can check the areas of our device just by drawing the line in those rectangles. And if you can see the green color, just like in my case, then it means that those areas are working perfectly fine. The touch works fine. Okay, I've missed something. All right, so I highly recommend to stay here in a while and just have fun with this mode. So double tap on the back button to get back, and let me show you another code, which is IMEI. It is *06#. And as you can see here, we can check the IMEI and serial number of this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me check the firmware version, which is *1234#. So it's quite easy. And here we can check some technical info like AP, CP, or the model of this device. Let me get back and let me enter another code which will check the battery status. It is *0228#. And here we can check some info about the battery. So here we've got the current value, voltage, level block, current, HG, and average value. Let me get it back and let me check the USB settings. It is *0808#. And as I said, here we've got USB settings. Here we can check and change some options. We can set, for example, MTP in the USB settings. All you have to do here is simply tap on the option you'd like to apply. Let me get it back and let me show you the last code, which is *26663#. And here we've got the firmware version, so here we can also check some technical info, just like the Wi-Fi version and the Bluetooth version, for example. So well, actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.